Oh, that jacket. Man, would you buy a whole collection? Pee-wee.
That's right. That's an oldie.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Picking and Punching, and today we're at the Webster Flea Market, but look how crazy this fog is. It's absolutely insane. But we got some surprise guests here today. Look, we got the Commonwealth Picker.
How y'all doing?
And then I got Mike, the Death Pile Picker.
Howdy.
Hello, how you doing today?
Oh, pretty good.
What do you have on this guy?
25.
Has it been opened?
I don't think so.
Oh yeah, the
No.
steel. Well, has it? Sticker's been taken off. Man, I don't think it has been opened.
Any idea?
Look at that.
That's cool. Where's that from? 97?
I figured out. It's got
Florida
Jim
Marlins.
Williams.
Here we go, 97.
97 Marlins.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. How
need
much
it.
you asking on that bat?
400 on that.
Yeah.
It only goes to the players and the managers.
Yeah, but this is my name right here, so this is mine. I'm just going to take it.
No, it is. You can look it up on.
No, I totally get it.
In fact,
I
you go
totally
online
get it.
right now. I looked. There's one right now. It's exact same
Yeah.
back. Go to your phone. eBay.
Go to my phone. Look at this. You know, that's what people say.
$9.95 right now. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Right.
Sold?
Huh? 1997.
No, I said sold.
In USA.
Sold for $9.95.
Right there. Look at it. Then you'll be convinced.
I don't know. It's hard to convince Mike.
Well, I'll let you do the work.
I don't listen to my wife. I sure ain't gonna listen to her.
Come with a black.
Oh, really?
I already
There you go. I
did.
see it.
Sold.
I already did.
You think that's who said it?
Isn't it?
That's interesting.
What do we got over here?
I get some of that stuff occasionally, not many here. At home I have a Northwest Airlines air crew half wing. Yeah, so I think it's a flight attendant type.
How much are the clothing?
All the Hawaiian shirts are 10 each. The military intelligence T-shirt is $5. The Tiger front jacket is
This one?
20, and the police uniforms are 200 for all.
How much was
Including
it?
Badge.
What was this one, sir?
It's 10,
10.
but you don't have that thing here. I don't. You know, I may have purchased that 20 years ago. Oh, okay. I had a.
I don't know.
For sale right
Brand new, dry fit. Oh, that jacket.
64 different rings in there. And for years and years and years, I had mixed in with the metal versions of that. I had
This jacket is freaking stunning. It does have a little wear there. But if I can get this for like 10 bucks, I don't know. Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry, I interrupted. How much is the jacket? 20 for that one? What's it from?
it's not a particular that tiger face like that shows up in a lot of Vietnamese souvenir jackets. I don't think this particular piece is quite that old because this seems to be computer generated. Well, no, it's not computer generated embroidery. That's because the computer generated embroidery, not pixels, but the lines of the bobbin lines are straight, at 90-degree angles. This could have a little bit of age to it, to the 80s. Perhaps.
Yeah. See if there's any tags. I don't know what size it is. Do you have any idea what size it may be? Definitely a smaller size. Would you do 10 on this one if I buy them both?
I can't.
Can't.
Yeah, I could do 15 on the
15?
tiger jacket,
15 on tiger?
10 on the. Say 25.
Yeah. No, it's a little staining there. Hey Kevin, I need your opinion for a second. I think it's worth 15 bucks.
What's this here on the back? Ooh, that's It's interesting.
Yeah. The colors are cool on
I
it.
absolutely love it.
Oh, I loved it too. So that's why when I
There
saw
you go. There's my answer.
So-
I love it. I don't know what you can do with it, but I love it. How about that t-shirt right there?
Throw that in with it.
throw it in. Okay. Thank you. That sweetens the deal. That makes it a no-brainer then.
Give you a couple.
Yeah, 25.
Thank you very much.
No, thank you. Do you need your hangers?
Nah, if you want them, you can have them. If you don't, I'll take them. You don't have to carry them around.
Single stitch.
I totally missed that, man. That's all you. You ever throw it in the cart?
How much you want?
I don't care, bro. Whatever. It doesn't really matter. I have no idea what this jacket's worth. It is super cool, though, so I had to pick it up. If anyone knows anything about this jacket, leave a note in the comments here.
They're giving them to like specific people.
Well, they'd sell all the gaming stuff online. You know, people are bidding shit up like crazy online.
How much you doing on
They have some places to sell this stuff. I don't know about here in the swamp.
Are these all different prices?
Yeah, man, like 15 bucks, fine. 50 bucks any of them. 50 bucks or less, fine.
Can I just look through the hats?
Yeah. 5 bucks each.
$5 each?
No, not money, just the temperature on it.
I don't really need it.
Man, it would really have to just get pulled off the card and sold mint. The card is just gone. I mean, yeah, I mean, I only saw it. Yeah.
Where you hiding your Billy Blast-Off stuff at? That's the topper.
Oh, man.
Hell, James. That's the one I sent Kevin.
Paul Orndorff.
Is that the
Yeah.
toughest thing, man?
Yeah, it is. Well, he just bought the whole bit. Look at that. How much you have in there?
10 bucks a month.
10 bucks.
What about, I don't think. 15?
We do 5 for him?
I complete the top of yours.
Yeah, it would, wouldn't it?
8 bucks, bro.
Yeah, it just has some paint wear, man. I would do 5, but so. Kevin,
You think.
Paul Orndorff. Hats, we look at hats. They're 5 each.
I just sent it to you.
They're 5. They're
The
5 each.
hats are 5. Yeah.
How much is Orndorff?
Orndorff's 10.
Is that an actual Nintendo case?
Yeah.
Brand?
No. Yeah, it is.
8 bucks.
Is that box for sale?
Yeah.
How much is the box?
How you doing
20 bucks.
20 bucks for the box.
Oh, well, I can't.
I had the aircraft carrier in the store back in the day.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It was cheap back then, it was 300 bucks. Not now. What?
Yeah, it's bad.
This is all the comics you have?
Yes,
Are they all different prices, or?
what about 120 for all of them?
Yeah, I wasn't looking to buy all of them. I was just seeing if there's. You go with set price for them. Oh, your stuff's covered up, bro.
Bro, look at this fog.
I know.
How you doing, brother?
Good man. Good man, man.
Good to see you. I got 2 Ninja Turtle sets, man. The secret sewer sets,
Yeah.
and all price. Don't worry about that. You guys like anything, you know I got you.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's a nice stuff for it.
Kevin.
Anything you guys like, you know, like I told him, I work deals with you guys.
Okay.
Don't worry about the prices, man.
Awesome.
Hey,
Crash test dummy.
Pee Wee.
That's right. That's
Yeah.
an oldie.
Yeah, man.
Whoops.
Can I see that your Mickey back there?
Yes, sir.
Is it the cast iron?
Oh, it's heavy.
That would be perfect for my little 80s.
That's actually
If I
really
ever
cool.
get
The
it done
bank.
down in the basement.
What do you have? What are those pieces there too?
A little cleaning bit. He's cleaning.
This is a really good one.
Yeah.
This one right here.
What are these?
The little Plutos.
Gotcha.
So you don't have any Billy Blast
No.
Look back.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all more than welcome. Come
glad
in
you
on
brought
this
back.
side,
Yeah.
however you guys got to do.
How much you have on that goofy?
I can do 10 on him,
Okay.
and I would do 15. That's
I-
25, and let's just do 30 right there.
You want to do 30 on these?
Yeah, I do 30.
So
on
5 and 5. These are cool. Hold off on those right now. And then you said 15 on this one and 10 on this guy?
Yep.
All right. I'm definitely getting this one, so let me put this aside. I'll hold off. I'm going to keep looking here. Let me see this for a second.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Appreciate
Do
you.
you have on King Kong?
For you, I can do 25.
25. And then on the Crash, you have 20 on that one.
I do 10.
10. All right, I'm definitely taking these two here. That's awesome. I'm a big Crash Test Dummy fan.
Yeah, it freaked out when I found it. You want to put it over here, Bob?
Yeah, man. Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Oh, you told me you got a bunch of NES.
Yeah, I got some of this the other day.
Man, would you buy a whole collection?
Oh, man, I got lucky. In a yard sale in my neighborhood, believe it or not.
Really?
The street over, I found 45, 47 of them.
That's awesome, man.
I went to all the other yard sales because that one wasn't open early. So
Yeah.
I left out of my neighborhood, went my usual route.
Yeah.
Come back, and then there it was, sitting in a box. I was like, holy moly.
That's awesome, man. You don't randomly find these in the wild very often.
No, you don't. I got the Zelda. There was 2
Yeah.
Mike Tyson's Punch Out. There was 2 Ninja Turtles,
Yeah.
the arcade one.
You sell the punch outs already?
No, they should be in there. There goes one of them right
Oh,
here.
there you go.
And the other one should be somewhere. I know. I don't know. Do you know like if one's worth more than the other?
Yeah.
They're different.
So these ones aren't different.
Okay.
The white.
Okay. They'd
When
be
you
white.
see the white, yeah, the white.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. And then here I'll tell you something else. There's a Jaws that's worth like over $1,000.
Yeah. The
That's
5.
5 stars.
Okay. Yeah.
Five.
That's what I've been looking for the 5 now.
Yeah. So I'll give you a little tip, man. Anytime you see NES stuff, always flip them over, look at the backside to see if they have 5 screws.
Those ones worth
It-
more.
Not always,
Okay.
but there are some. There's a paintball one that's like a paintball one's like really crappy, like a $5 game, and if you have a 5-star, it's like a $1,000 game. So 5 screw. Keep a look out for those.
It's crazy.
Yeah, man. Dude, have you ever come across stuff and you have questions too?
Yeah.
Just text me, man.
For sure, man.
I'll,
For sure.
Listen, I'm a wealth of knowledge, and I'm always here to help you if you have questions. Hey, man, I picked this up,
This is how.
Oh, yeah, this is what we're talking about. Let me see this.
Yeah. There's all the shorts and stuff are in the,
Okay.
are in the back. If you're interested in all that stuff, I'll give you a link
Okay.
today.
That's
the
a bad boy.
horse racing one, my son, I gave it to him for his birthday yesterday.
Gotcha.
He was pretty adamant
Yeah.
about it.
Bad boy gi. And then is these Venom gis?
Yeah, I guess that's the Venom one.
Okay.
That was pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah. Okay. And these are just training shorts?
Shorts, yeah, kind of shorts and stuff.
I'm trying these. He just told me he went his yard sailing route and stuff like that. Said he did a whole neighborhood, the yard sale wasn't open, came to a yard sale, and that was sitting at a yard sale.
45 of them. This is crazy. You're right here, man. I watched this guy. Man. He was one of the first ones I started watching.
What'd you like that whole? You bought all of that?
I had
How much did you pay?
about 45 of them.
45.
I gotta ask, what would you end up paying? $100?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured, man. Dude, that's awesome, man. Make something. What do you want for the box? I don't.
You're gonna make some good money off.
I gotta look them up and look. I'm just curious.
I would do 100 for the whole
100.
box.
So this is actually a gi for jiu-jitsu. So jiu-jitsu gis can actually go anywhere from like 100, 150 bucks. I used to train jiu-jitsu, so my gi alone was like 100 something bucks. So you gotta. I just don't know anything about the shorts.
I looked some of them up. They got
Yeah.
some decent money. It's negotiable, bud. So if you see anything in there crazy, just let me know what gotta do.
I hear you. I don't want to take advantage of you.
I watch your channel plenty. I know you.
I know I'm
I
cheap.
know.
Right, but,
I ain't gonna call you cheap, but I know you.
right. You call me cheap.
It's fine.
Whatever. You both are cheaper.
guys always
You're
mess with him
cheaper
about
than
that, I
anybody I
swear.
know.
They always mess with
Never
you.
mind.
You even
I
mess
know,
with yourself
problem
about it.
is-
You're like, you'll tell them, I'm pretty cheap. The same little spiel you
The
gave
problem
me.
is, I don't mind offending him. Leo and I, we go way back.
We go way back.
Yeah, 5 minutes ago.
So I want this for me. So I'm gonna get you 15. Does that sound good to you?
Yeah, for sure.
That's about what they go for,
Yeah,
anyways.
I got
but
you, man.
I just want it for my. You'll see it
appreciate
in my. I'm gonna do an eBay down in my basement where I had the old videos, the eBay cave. I'm gonna put them in there, and you can probably. Unless you make it
What are these? These are rash guards, I think. Rash guards. Alright, you said 100 for the whole box?
Yes, sir.
You always take care of me. I'm not even going to negotiate with you, man. I'll give you 100 for it.
Yeah, brother.
Dude, you always take care of me, man. So, okay, that's 100 for that one. Pop that in my cart. There you go. And then what else I got sitting back there? We got 20.
I think we're at
25.
10, and I think we're at 35 with this.
No, I didn't want the little no, the other one.
This one?
No, the goofy I don't want.
You don't want the goofy.
Yeah.
So we're at 15 and 10, 25.
So 125.
125, yeah.
Cool.
Let's go.
It's cast iron. See this cast iron Mickey?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that.
It's like,
125, buddy.
yes, sir. Appreciate it. Hell yeah, bro. I like all
man.
this, man. Transmetals. So you go rather Beast Wars, those are these are really sought after than the Takara ones. To be honest with you, guys,
What do you have in your dolls? These are LOL?
I think so, bud. I think so. I would
These
do,
ones I'm talking about, the LL.
I would do for you $5 a piece.
$5 a piece?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a good deal or I mean, I think it's a good deal. I don't know much about them, man. I pick them up from time to time. I sell Monster High sometimes.
Yeah.
You ever get Monster High stuff in? If you see Monster High dolls?
These aren't Monster High?
No, these are LOL.
Okay.
I think LOL.
I thought that was Monster High. I
No,
thought these were
yeah, these are LOL
I know
ones.
those are LOL, but
Yeah.
I could have swore those two might have been.
No, yeah. Oh, this is Shadow High.
Shadow High. I knew it was something like that.
Yeah, I've never.
That one actually goes for some pretty good money.
Oh, it's Rainbow High. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leo, what would you do for all 7? And there you have 7 total. Can you do any better than the 5 apiece?
Just give me 30.
30?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not trying to low, but would you do 25, you think, or no? Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I was wondering.
Yeah, I haven't sold those before, so I'm going to try them out. Ashley.
You got off without your daddy today?
No, he didn't come today. He was tired. He was tired.
Oh.
You know what, man? I'm going to give you the 30.
Hey, man, I appreciate it.
Nah,
Thank
man. No, you take care of me, man. I'm not going to nickel and dime you for $5, man.
I appreciate that, man.
Nah, man. I like to keep the relationship going, man. You always take care of me.
Hell yeah.
I had an absolute blast picking the Webster Flea Market with the Death Pile pick and Commonwealth picker. And I'd like to give a big shout out to Leo at the flea market if you're watching this. Thank you so much for all the hookups. This is the last video of the year, so I want to wish each and every one of you guys a happy new year. Make sure you guys stay safe out there. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.